Hey, guess what? One day, I had a dream. I was 7, but one day I had a dream.
You are 7.
There was a bear, and it was like shaped like a bear, and it looked just like a bear. The shadow was just on our door, and it looked just like our door. And then it said, "Give me something." And I was like, "What? But what?" And then it just left, and I didn't be able to ask him. Look at those big rock mushrooms. Look at.
Cool, huh? Want to walk down there?
Yeah, let's walk. Whoa. Look at these trees.
Wow.
It's almost as big as a bulldozer.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is the scary stuff. This is.
Be careful here, okay? Go slow, Ari. What's the matter?
She's scared. Okay, let's go.
No. Please, go slow. Good job, Ari.
Jump.
There we go. Hey, get right from the edge, though.
Pay attention. When you get down to the bottom, you guys can look at whatever you want to look at. When you walk.
Whoa. Take a feel of that.
Good. Alright, watch where you're going. We're almost to the bottom, and then you guys are...
Oh, use your hands. That's okay. Use your hands on the rock. You can touch the rock with your hands, but...
Down the other hand.
Whoa! It's getting windy! Oh. You're gonna fly down? Really? So you're gonna make...
What?
You're gonna make... Oh, that good stuff when we went duck season? Oh yeah, I love that. I got a cup today.
Oh, your very own cup, huh? That's exciting.
Not much a baby can do.
Well, what did I say? Yeah, you got a bloody lip now. Well, what are you doing, buddy? Sit down. Sit down. Come here. Oh, bud. Why do you want to go home? You got an owie? Are you cold? Yeah, you look cold and wet. Yeah, well.
Can I see your lip?
No, you don't want us to see it, huh?
You have a fat lip, bud.
You bang your lip on the rocks? You weren't being careful, huh? Not on the rocks?
Is it a stick?
Oh, the waterfall? You banged it on the waterfall? Oh, that's a tough one. Isaiah, you better go slow. If you fall down, you're gonna get another owie. Yeah, maybe you shouldn't climb up there.
One. Yeah, you already got one out.
One? What? Oh, what's all over your face?
I'm cute.
What are you saying? What?
Doing my bunny nose, Dad.
Oh man, you're so tough. Toughest girl ever.
Then when are we getting that stuff to eat?
When it's done cooking.
What?
when it's all done cooking.
You.
On one of these?
Yeah, bingo. Yeah, awesome.
So here's the issue. I didn't fully boil the water. Got it really hot though.
Why didn't you just use our drinking water?
So I wanted to see if one of those tablets could boil 2 cups of really cold water out here, and it can't.
It can't. So you don't think it's safe to drink?
It's not safe to drink, but I put it in there, which has a lot of salt.
Yeah, because I really feel like getting sick.
You don't have to eat it. I'm just pointing out that I'm going to have some.
Okay.
When are you gonna have it?
Right now. Spit it out. Spit it out on the ground or breathe on it. What's the matter with you, boy?
Breathe on it?
Like this.
Like this? Here you go, Legend. All right, you want some food?
I'm a monkey.
You're a monkey? I'm blowing on it. All right, sun's down. We gotta get going.
Yeah.
It's gonna get dark down here quick because we're down in the bottom of the valley. Come on.
Look at those big rock mushrooms. It's almost as big as a bulldozer.
Yeah.
Oh, that good stuff went. Duck season. Look at those big rock mushrooms. It's almost as big as a bulldozer.
There he goes. Boom, 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 boom. Maybe. No wet blazer. Can you make it the rest of the way, Blaze? We're almost back. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Whoa. Good job. Let's go. You can make it. Joe. Yep, pull up those shorts, you. All right, let's go.